I'm here at Pakaringa Ushay. Can you explain to us the difference between a yachak and a curandero? Because when I first moved here, I wasn't sure what the difference was. But you are a yachak. What does that mean?
Alipunja tuku yachakkuna hatun pachakama inti pachamama también yu paichapanchi. I'm so happy for your visit here and for the question. A lot of people, like you said, they misunderstood these two words. One thing, curandero means Spanish word means healer, but yachak in our tradition means who knows, and I cannot call myself yachak if my community, my family around in my village doesn't recognize as a medicine man, as a healer, as a counselor, and then naturally we'll get a name as a yachak. If families in your community has family's problems or health problems, they will have question. Wow, my son is getting sick and I don't know what's going on here. And someone, you should visit Vijak. He knows. Payacha. He knows. So he will recommend, he will help you. So that's how we become yachaks in our community. And if you go to a community and you meet someone and he call himself yachak, and you have to make sure if the community knows him.
Yeah, that's a good point.
So because as a tradition to become a yachak, we have to be recognized by community, and then we become yachaks.
And you didn't just get a certificate saying that you're a yachak. You studied for many years. Can you tell us a little about your background?
The beautiful and easy things for me is to grow up in an indigenous community where it's very natural to be a healer, a curandero. It's very natural to become a yachak. So my grandpa, it was a shaman, a yachak, and then my father took all this experience, they passed to me, and I spent not many years with my grandpa, so I have beautiful experience, and he passed me his condor flute as a symbol to continue these traditions. And then my partera was my mother, so, and that's how for me it was easy to continue this path. Even in this modernity, in this modern society with too many distractions, it was easy because everybody was doing this plants and healings and ceremonies everywhere, so it didn't have any another options.
It's a part of your life.
Yeah, part of my life. So I did some exploration to learn different cultures, to understand, and that helps me to value my culture. So that's how for me was kind of easy and to continue this tradition because it's part of my family roots. I'm in charge now to continue these teachings, passing all this experience, these knowledges of thousands of years of our culture.
Mm-hmm.
So the main idea of as a shaman is to give continuity traditions. So Mother Earth is getting sick because too much pollution, modern society, I don't know, they don't really get it. Oh, they know but keep doing. Hard to understand for me. But for us, Mother Nature is alive, so we are very worried. We can feel our mama struggling and suffering, so we have to work hard to find the balance with this modern society and with the traditions, so we can have a better place for our kids, our next generations.
Yes. And you're working not just in your community, but you work with other yachaks in Ecuador, and you also go to Canada. So when you say, or when I think of he who knows, it's not just that you know your own traditions, but you're familiar with other indigenous
Yes.
cultures.
When I become a Yachak, another Yachak, Hatun Tayta Yachak, give me a permission to work and pass these teachings and do healings and ceremonies. So they introduced me different Yachaks to learn and continue receiving different experiences. So in this path, we meet different Yachaks and open different doors. And so I end arriving to Canada, meeting some elders in Canada, ceremonial people. So during the years working with them, I get a pipe. So I have a permission to even do some sweat lodge, but I don't do yet. But I have many times, you should share this to your communities, but I didn't. So I received, let's say, gifts from different shamans, we can call Yachak, from India, from Tibet especially. I have some gifts, tools, ceremonial tools.
Please, I
Also
can see those lingam stones over there.
Yeah,
Yes.
lingams from India. So I have a lot of gifts. That's how we open experience. In the end, we find out we are working with the same purpose in different parts of the world.
Yes. So thank you for sharing that, because I just wanted to make the distinction. So many people are interested in, say, like ayahuasca ceremonies or whatever, and so many people are becoming supposed yachaks to be able to do this, and it's dangerous. I mean, a yachak then is not someone who just administers plant medicine. He's someone who knows and who, this is a way of life. It's not just something that you do for financial gain. So thank you. Since it's starting to rain, I think we will end this one. Thank you very much.
Shungumanda, yupay chani.